I'm Dr. Sunil Trivedi. I'm dermatologist and I'm practicing in Surat since last 15 years. Well, in last 15 years I have been in many changes in my life, but then the last 2 years wherein I have hired Mr. Trivedi. He's having a Greendot consultancy, and after hiring the consultancy I have been seeing grassroots level changes from top to bottom in my practice. All aspects has been covered, and I am happy with my practice. Presently, he's taking care of all aspects like staff management, like practice management, like all personal level of improvement. He has been taking care, and I'm extremely happy, and I'll definitely recommend to all my dermatologist colleagues and all my fraternity persons to consult him and take services of His Excellency. Thank you.